Hi everyone, thanks for watching how to record a greeting message. A greeting message can be recorded and played to incoming callers before they leave a message. This video will show you how to record a greeting message in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Press the menu button on your Panasonic handset followed by pound 302. This will bring up the Record Now screen of your phone. Step 2. Press the up arrow on your Panasonic handset to highlight yes, then press the select button to select it. This will begin the recording process of your phone. Step 3. Once you're finished recording your greeting, press the stop button to end the recording. Your message will play back for your review. Press the stop button again to stop the playback early. Step 4. If you want to re-record your greeting, press the select button and begin step 2 again. If you're satisfied with your greeting, press the off button. Your greeting message is now recorded. This concludes the How to Record a Greeting Message video. Thank you for watching.